Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set manual backup on the StarNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. You go to the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the second icon, the settings, and you can find the left bar, the settings, and go to the first, the local backup. And here you can find the second option, the manual backup, and here you can backupping the app, and if you finish, just write the app, the backup completed, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.